Finding clients for web development requires a combination of online presence, networking, and effective outreach. Here's a strategy. Portfolio website. Build an impressive portfolio website showcasing your previous projects, skills, and expertise. Make it user-friendly and mobile responsive. Social media. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to share your work, interact with potential clients, and join relevant groups or communities. Online freelance platforms. Create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Complete your profile with a compelling bio, portfolio samples, and client reviews. Networking. Attend web development conferences, meetups, and workshops. Networking can help you establish connections and gain referrals. Content marketing. Start a blog on your website and share informative articles related to web development. This positions you as an expert and attracts organic traffic. Cold outreach. Identify potential clients or businesses that may need web development services. Craft personalized and concise emails or messages highlighting your skills and how you can benefit them. Referrals. Encourage satisfied clients to refer you to others. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be a powerful source of new projects. Freelance job boards. Look for web development job postings on platforms like GitHub Jobs, We Work Remotely, or Stack Overflow Jobs. Local businesses. Approach local businesses that may need a website or a website upgrade. A personal touch can lead to lucrative local contracts. Freelance directories. List your services on online freelance directories and web development specific directories like Behance or GitHub. Social proof. Showcase client testimonials and case studies on your website. Positive reviews build trust with potential clients. Google My Business. Set up a Google My Business profile, especially if you offer local web development services. It helps you appear in local search results. Paid advertising. Invest in targeted online advertising campaigns through platforms like Google Ads or social media to reach a wider audience. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest web development trends and technologies to offer cutting-edge solutions. Follow up. Don't forget to follow up with potential leads. Sometimes, persistence can lead to successful partnerships.